What is topographical orientation?
According to screening adult neurologic populations, topographical orientation is the ability to find one's way from one place to another. Or topographical disorientation, as found in motor control, is a difficulty comprehending the relationship of one's location.
How would a dysfunction impact a client's occupational performance?
So we decided to break this question up into child, which is 18 and under, younger adult, which is 18 to 45, and older adult, which is 46 to 67. In these three populations, for children, different video games made, such as one we actually looked up on getlost.ca, are used to make cognitive maps, which are critical skills to be able to successfully orient in real large-scale surroundings, such as schools and neighborhoods. This is really big for children in their occupational performance because it involves playing and education. Younger adults, this population, some occupational performance disturbances would be in driving, because this would make it very hard for them to orient their actual job, depending what it is. They could have trouble walking, bumping into different things, etc. And then also finding the way around campus. So if it's a younger adult who's actually at school, they might get lost going to class, going to the cafeteria, etc. And lastly, for the older adult population, this population actually performed the worst in a study than younger participants in all of the orientation skills assessed, such as landmark recognition, forming association between landmarks and body turns, and formation and use of cognitive maps. We also decided to just show you another statistic. Males were better than females for cognitive map formation and use, as well as path reversal and orientation tasks that do not require the processing of visual landmarks during navigation.
This is an example of topographical orientation.
Okay, Barbara, we're going to go downstairs and get a glass of water.
I just come over and drive home, or if I just sleep over and
This is an example of topographical disorientation. Okay, we're going to leave now. Can you shut off the lights on the way out? We're going to make our way to the door. And can you shut off the lights over there?
Additional information can be found in the journal called Age and Gender Differences in Various Topographical Orientation Strategies by Irene Liu, Richard M. Levy, Jason J. S. Barton, and Giuseppe Iaria. We found some of this information in a website called gettinglost.ca. In this picture right now, a game that will also help us identify children who experience orientation difficulties, including children potentially affected by DTD or developmental topographical disorientation. Early identification may help some children avoid the anxiety and isolation that many adults with DTD regularly experience, and will also provide us with the foundation to develop tools to improve orientation skills in children.
Thank you for watching our presentation on topographical orientation.
It's important to keep these visual spatial screening procedures in mind for areas of occupation such as
IADLs such as vacuuming, ADLs such as cooking and education, leisurely walks around the neighborhood,